Okay, when over watering happens, at first you can see a slightly dampened soil. Okay, so when dampened soil, it will make the soil more, what they call it, more poison, and then indirectly it will rot. See, it rots. Okay, this is term as rot, and then it is actually a waste. So basically, what we can say, rock melon eats a lot of water, and it starts with the yellowing of the leaves. And of course, how do we know whether the soil is wet or not? You can see. You can feel the moisture. This is a tricky part of rock melon potting. And of course, you need